In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore GoDaddy Website Builder Backup. If you've made changes to your site and want to roll back to an earlier version, the Site History tool in GoDaddy's Website Builder makes it straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact path to get there and restore a previous backup. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your account. Use your usual login method and complete any verification prompts if they appear. After you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your account name or avatar. Click that to open the account menu, then choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything connected to your account. On the My Products page, find the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, double-check you're selecting the correct one. Click the site to open its editor or dashboard. You're now in the area where you can manage content and settings for that specific site. Inside the website builder, locate the Settings option. It's typically in the main navigation or shown as a gear icon. Click Settings to open the site-level controls. From the Settings panel, select Site History. This is where GoDaddy keeps a timeline of your saved versions. You'll see entries organized by date and time, and sometimes by action, which helps you identify when key changes were made. Choose the backup you want to return to by reviewing the timestamps. Keep in mind that restoring will replace your current site content with the selected version, so any edits made after that backup will be undone. This action affects your site's pages and sections within the builder, not separate services like your domain or billing. When you're ready, click Restore. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm the restore. The process may take a moment. Let it complete without navigating away so everything applies correctly. Once it finishes, review your site in the editor to make sure the content looks the way you expect. Check a few key pages to confirm text, images, and layout match the version you intended. If it's not quite right, return to Site History and choose a different backup, then restore again until you land on the correct version. That's it. You've successfully restored your GoDaddy website builder site using Site History. Thanks for following along, and take your time when selecting the backup so you're confident you're restoring exactly what you need.